One more thing is there, and that is the mole concept. What is the mean of the mole concept and what is the sense of this mole concept? See, just if we take sodium, sodium is a metal, and if we want to weigh the sodium metal, it is easy for us to weigh the sodium metal because it is in the solid form. And after weighing, we take the weight of the sodium equal to its atomic mass. जैसे हम बात करें कि 23, इसका एटॉमिक मास कितना होता है, एंड दैट इज 23. हम क्या करेंगे, इसका मास लेंगे एग्जैक्टली इक्वल टू द एटॉमिक मास, एंड वी टेक द सोडियम दैट इज 23 ग्राम. There is a great difference in 23U and 23 gram. Just listen, what is the difference? If we take the mass of the sodium equal to the atomic mass 23 gram, there was a scientist, his name was Avogadro. He said, whenever we take the mass of the any element exactly equal to its atomic mass. अब आपने 23 ग्राम सोडियम को वे किया, और वे करने के बाद अगर हम आपसे कहें यू काउंट द नंबर ऑफ एटम्स ऑफ सोडियम in 23 gram of sodium, would it be possible for you to count the number of atoms? No. But Avogadro tried with the help of some methods, and afterwards he calculated and told that if we take the mass of the sodium exactly equal to the 23 gram, then it contains the total number of atoms, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. And this group of number as a whole he said as 1 mole. After that the Avogadro tried one more experiment, and he took magnesium, और magnesium का जो atomic mass होता है that is 24, and we take exactly 24 gram of magnesium. And when we take the 24 gram of magnesium, it is very difficult for us to calculate the number of atoms, but Avogadro tried and he calculated the number of atoms, and it comes 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. And this group of number as a whole he said as 1 mole. Now he did one more experiment, and he took aluminium atomic mass 27, and he took exact 27 gram of aluminium, and he tried to calculate the number of atom. He got the same value, 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. And this group of number as a whole is called 1 mole. After studying this and calculating the things, he made a law. Who? Avogadro. And that is called Avogadro's law. According to this law, he said, whenever we take the mass of the any element exactly equal to the atomic mass, it always contains the total number of atoms equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, and this group of number as a whole is called 1 mole. एक बार हिंदी में भी सुन लीजिए. जब भी कभी हम किसी एलिमेंट का मास उसके एटॉमिक मास के बराबर लेते हैं, वैसे 23 ग्राम, 24 ग्राम, 27 ग्राम, जब भी किसी एलिमेंट का मास उसके एटॉमिक मास के बराबर लेते हैं तो उसमें हमेशा नंबर ऑफ एटम सेम रहते हैं, और वो होते हैं 6.022 10 to the power 23 एटम्स. और इस ग्रुप ऑफ नंबर को एज ए होल हम कहते हैं 1 मोल. सिंस इट वाज सजेस्टेड एंड कैलकुलेटेड बाय एवोगैड्रो, तो इस नंबर को हम लोग नाम देते हैं एवोगैड्रो नंबर. एवोगैड्रो नंबर. और ये जो हमने मास में रिप्रेजेंट किया है एटॉमिक मास को, इसको कहते हैं ग्राम एटॉमिक मास. दिस इज आल्सो ग्राम एटॉमिक मास ऑफ मैग्नीशियम, दिस इज द ग्राम एटॉमिक मास ऑफ सोडियम, एंड दिस इज द ग्राम एटॉमिक मास ऑफ एल्युमिनियम. तो इसमें 3 चीज़ें जो हैं वो हमेशा बराबर होती हैं. किसी भी एलिमेंट का ग्राम atomic mass, and that is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, and that is equal to 1 mole. If you remember, then this calculation and these things, this value I have already explained you in the 9th class, that is 1 mole. So this is all about the atoms. Now we discuss something about molecules. Now we will not take the element or atoms, we will take molecules, and you see what happens with the molecule and what the Avogadro did with the molecule or compound. See what happens in case of molecule. As a molecule, I take molecule of oxygen. See, atomic number of oxygen is 8. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. And since 2 oxygen atoms are there, so this is the molecule, so we write molecular mass, not the atomic mass. So atomic mass is 16, so molecular mass will be double of that, and that is 32. And I take the mass of this oxygen molecule exactly equal to its molecular mass. Its molecular mass is 32, तो I take exact 32 ग्राम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. और अगर हम किसी डब्बे में 32 ग्राम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन ले लें, और इफ somebody ask us कि कैलकुलेट and count the number of oxygen molecules, so would it be possible for us? No, because oxygen molecules are invisible to us, we cannot see with the naked eyes. But Avogadro, he tried to count and he tried to calculate the total number of molecules in 32 gram of oxygen, and he said whenever we take the 32 gram of oxygen, the total number of molecule will be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. And this group of molecules as a whole, he said as 1 mole. Now another example, see, in place of oxygen, now I take another molecule, and that is ammonia. Atomic mass of nitrogen is 14, or atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So 1 into 3, 3, and plus 14, that is 17 gram. I take exact 17 gram of ammonia, and I ask you, count the number of molecules. So Avogadro counted, and he said it is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. And this group of number as a whole is called 1 mole. Another example I take CO2 gas. Carbon atomic mass is 12 and oxygen 16 into 32 plus 12, and that comes 44 gram. And when we take 44 gram of carbon dioxide, the total number of molecules that comes 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. And this group of molecules as a whole is called 1 mole. After doing this experiment and calculation, Avogadro made another law, and he said whenever we take the mass of the any molecule or compound exactly equal to its molecular mass, it always contain the total number of molecules equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, and this group of molecule as a whole is called 1 mole. इस नंबर को भी हम लोग कहेंगे एवोगैड्रो नंबर, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1 मोल, और ये जो है इसको हम कहेंगे ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर मास. This is also gram molecular mass, and this is also gram molecular mass, and in this also all the three things will remain same. First thing, gram molecular mass, and that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. And this group of molecules as a whole is called 1 mole. तो अभी एटम्स में एवोगैड्रो ने क्या लॉ बनाया था कि whenever we take the mass of the any element exactly equal to the atomic mass, then it always contain the total number of atoms equal to 6.022 10 per 23, and this group of atom as a whole is called 1 mole. तीन चीज़ों को इक्वेट किया था हमने, ग्राम एटॉमिक मास इक्वल टू दीज मेनी एटम्स इक्वल टू मॉलिक्यूल. नाउ आई डोंट टेक द एलिमेंट और एटम्स, आई टेक molecules or compounds, and in this I say that if we take the mass of the any molecule or compound equal to the molecular mass, it always contain the total number of molecules these many, and this is equal to 1 mole. Three things will remain same or equal, that is gram molecular mass equal to 6.022 10 per 23 molecules equal to 1 mole. अब इन दोनों रूल को कंबाइन करते हैं, एटम को, एटम के रूल को और मॉलिक्यूल के रूल को. ध्यान से सुनिए. व्हेनेवर वी टेक द मास ऑफ द एनी एलिमेंट और मॉलिक्यूल इक्वल टू इट्स एटॉमिक मास और मॉलिक्यूलर मास, इट ऑलवेज कंटेन द टोटल नंबर ऑफ एटम्स और मॉलिक्यूल्स equal to 6.022 into 10 to power 23, and this group of atom or molecule is equal to 1 mole. Now what we will learn? We will learn to calculate the mass of the 1/12th part of carbon 12. See, I have taken the 6 carbon 12. It means the atomic number is 6 and atomic mass is 12. And if I ask you that if I take the mass of this carbon exactly equal to the atomic mass, that is 12 gram, then it is equal to how many atoms? That is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. So we can write here, since 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of 6 carbon 12, that is equal to 12 gram. Therefore, mass of one atom of 6 carbon 12, that is 12 upon 6.022, or this 23 will come up, that is 10 to the power minus 23. Therefore, the mass of 1/12th part of 6 carbon 12. अगर हम आपसे पूछें कि ये क्या है, what is this, then you will say it is the mass of the one single atom of carbon. क्योंकि इतने एटम इजगल टू 12 ग्राम, तो फिर 1 एटम इजगल टू इतने ग्राम. और हमको निकालना है नॉट मास ऑफ द 1 एटम, हमको निकालना है मास ऑफ द 1/12th पार्ट ऑफ द 6 कार्बन 12, यानी कि 1/12th पार्ट ऑफ द 1 कार्बन एटम. तो ये है मास ऑफ द 1 कार्बन एटम और हमें इसका निकालना है 1/12th. तो हम क्या करेंगे, 12 अपॉन 6.022 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1/12 part into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. This 12 and 12 that will cancel out, and we get 1.6.022 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. And when we will calculate, it comes 0.1673 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram, or it is equal to 1.673 into 10 to the power minus 24 ग्राम. ये जो आपका मास आया है, दैट इज द मास ऑफ 1/12 पार्ट ऑफ कार्बन 12, और इसको हम लोग नाम देते हैं 1U और 1AMU और यूनिफाइड मास. Since the mass of the one atom of hydrogen is exactly equal to this, तो हम लोग हाइड्रोजन को लिखते हैं 1U. इसका मतलब ये हो गया कि हाइड्रोजन के वन सिंगल एटम का मास इट इज एग्जैक्टली इक्वल टू दिस. थैंक यू.